Hello everyone, this is going to be an unboxing video of my brand new Sebo D4 vacuum cleaner. These are made in Germany. I have purchased this vacuum in competition with the Rainbow Electrolux. I own a various amount of canister vacuums and upright vacuums. My favorite is the Rainbow. I do believe in the water filtration technology along paired with the HEPA filtration. But the suction is just not there for those vacuums. And that's why I've gone with the Sebo. I have an older Electrolux Epic. It's a very nice vacuum. I do like the L-shape power nozzle. I like the L-shaped power nozzle in this unit. I used it in the store. I've seen a lot of videos on it. So it's a very nice unit itself. One of the things, the only con I can say I have right now is that the power nozzle doesn't have a light. I mean, that's pretty common nowadays. So the fact that it doesn't have a light for the price point of this vacuum is a little disappointing, but I can get over that with the hospital grade filtration that these vacuums claim to have and the very good suction and L-bar or L-shaped power nozzle design. So without further ado, I've never opened one of these. I only used one in the store. So let's open it and see what we have inside. I'm using a fork to open it. Forks work. Whatever you have laying around works. Just poke the edges like that. So right off the top, we can see here that there are some, it just shows some pictures here of the vacuum itself and etc. Now, not any really instructions or anything right there. So if we start opening this unit, I guess you can just almost pull everything out at once. Let's set it on the floor. That was my stand there, but I guess we can just take this. I saw one guy that does reviews with a brand new vacuum. He just flipped everything outside of the box, and he's like, you should have seen the owner's face when they watched the video or whatever and saw that they just dumped it all out. So right now everything's upside down. Here is the box. We're gonna put that off to the side for the moment. And we will start. I guess we can flip this back on its side. Here comes a tube. Here is their hose. Brand new hose, very nice. Styrofoam, save everything. You never know what can happen. So just save all of your styrofoam, cardboard, manuals, etc. So like I said, manuals, I don't know if we'll need it yet. Here's the floor cleaning tool. I heard was very good. The L-shape power nozzle. I don't, this is the ET1 Sebo ET1 power nozzle. That's very nice. And then the unit here itself, plastic. It's white unit, but it's black on their box. I don't understand that. I would have liked the black one. I guess the white one is just as nice. Hopefully my wife doesn't see this video because she doesn't know that I bought another vacuum. She's probably gonna kill me, but I'll deal with that later. She may not even notice, so let's just go with that she may not notice. So, I guess I'll get my stand back out. power nozzle. This is the tube, brand new tube. Looks very nice. Let's see here. Clicks into place. Wand is, ooh, and it's spring loaded. Oh shit, sorry, excuse my language. Brand new, I don't want to break nothing yet, but that's nice. I did not know that they're spring loaded, so they adjust down very easy. The unit itself, guess I can put that here. It'll still come up hopefully in the video. Let me back up some so it can still show. Power head vacuum. So very nice. Just so that you can see what it says on the front there. Very nice vacuum cleaner. Just we'll move this power nozzle off to the side. Put the vacuum up here. It doesn't fall. Vacuum comes with a brand new bag in place. Looks like it was tested probably in the factory. One set of filters, I guess, is up here, which is very interesting. I usually take these apart when I buy them, just to see how everything's going to work. And it does look like it is a sealed system. I guess I can pick this up and kind of show you guys. So there's these top filter. They say it's a true sealed system. This is the canister where the bag goes into. So here's the bag. Take this bag. They say the lid will not close unless there's a bag in place. So bag just goes in like that. There's nothing here that's like a clip or anything. The bag itself is, I guess, the hinge, if you will. And then it's got this plastic, the rubber is on the outside here. This is all just a hard plastic. More rubber there. Closes. Very nice. It should have a set of tools on the back here. So you've got a dusting tool, stair and upholstery tool, I guess. Not a big fan of these. I don't feel like they work all that well. And your crevice tool. Sorry about that camera angle. Crevice tool. So, and this tool, which also not really a big fan of. Cord rewind. Sorry about that angle again. The cord rewind. Power button. So, I guess without further ado, again, we will hook this machine up. It's got a nice handle. That carpet stain there is makeup that my children put on the floor, and my Huber Scrub 50 could not remove it. So that will stay there forever, I guess, until I find a detergent good enough to remove it. Hose should just click into place. Got some issues here. Let me put you back on my camera stand, which is nothing more than this laundry bin. This over here. Let's see what's going on here. There's a dowel pin in the back that aligns it. Well, that's what it is. There's a pin in the back along with the 3-prong connector in the front of the hose. So all of that. This wonderful hose that says is tapered and can never get squished or anything. So that I usually like these pretty high. Guess I can inspect the back of this just to make sure everything is there. Looks good. Trap door here for this. No, you can't really see. So I will plug it in. She is plugged in. Here, plugged in. Now, let's see. The machine is very quiet. So I guess my biggest pet peeve as well would be a way to turn off this brush roller, this power nozzle, when you put the machine up. I mean, I didn't try it then when I put it up, but and the light. But I really like it. I mean, this is my first one that I own. It's a very nice machine. Like I said, so I intend to keep it for the life that it'll last and compare it to all my other vacuums. I have Electrolux, Rainbows, Auric, canister vacuum, Kenmore Progressive. So we'll see. But this is very nice. Thanks for watching, and thank you.